Hello, Chef here in one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4, and it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long time, maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right, you can tell by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product, a little thicker, that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos, more tricks with this too. We shake it up, we put it on in a swirling motion like this. Okay, and we use a plastic bag because it can be recycled. And I don't want any fire hazard or anything around, floating around, any used product. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. All right, so that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. And I'll show you one more trick. By utilizing 2 silicone trivets, you can score this and this at the sponsor. Trivets as well. These can go underneath, so you can set them on your countertop, put the oiled side down, and you're ready to continue your work or your prep or your cooking on this side. Oil this side about a week later, or even the next day. Oh, this end grain surface is very similar. Same thing. Bench scraper, give it a little scrape, remove any food particles or dirt that might be on there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Some of this is spices, by the way. Okay, this is good to go. Yeah, and now we repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot. Magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up. Do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. This one has been cut on more than 10 million times, and it just keeps going. It's very easy to clean. We use this bench scraper, remove any food or particles, and get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.